These are my rations for the Juan de Fuca and the North Coast Trail backpacking trips I'm going on. So I've got 13 times 2, so 26 meals for breakfast and dinner. It's going to be my golden soup blend, which I love so much. And then for snacks along the way, brought an Ichiban for each day because I am a noodle fiend, and all that is very high fiber, so I need something that is not as fibrous to kind of balance out my diet there. So we got the Ichiban noodles. Not the healthiest thing in the world, but hey, it's high calories, it's lightweight. And then I got 3 bags of cashews. I think they're about, it's like 0.4 of a kilogram each, just under that. So I'll have 1 for Juan de Fuca and then 2 for the North Coast Trail. North Coast Trail is going to be 8 days, and Juan de Fuca is going to be 5 days. So that should be enough food for quite a while. As much of a pain in the butt it was to dehydrate my own food and make my own meals, I'm glad I did it. Saved hundreds of dollars. I don't know if I saved hundreds of dollars in time, but that's okay.